Want to connect your tools and automate workflows with custom integrations? Activating API access in Make.com is quick and opens up a lot of flexibility. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Make.com account. From your dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to API from the drop down. If you don't see it there, head over to the Make Developer portal by visiting developers.make.com. This is where API management lives. Now generate a new personal API token. Click Create Token. Give it a name and optionally set token expiration or scope depending on what kind of access you want. Once you have it created, copy the token and store it somewhere safe, and you won't be able to view it again. This token cannot be used in your custom HTTPS requests or external apps to interact with your Make.com scenarios, webhooks, and modules. Just include it in your authorization headers as a bearer token when making API calls. And that's really it. Your API access is live, and you can now build more advanced automations beyond the visual editor. If this really helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more no fluff tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of integrations you want to see next.